Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can edit videos on Canva. So it's pretty simple and follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on and let's move on. So in order to edit videos on Canva, you can upload the video or you can use stock footage. So to upload a video, you want to come into Canva's video editing tab and go on versus uploads. And on uploads, drag and drop any video you want to edit. So let's say I want to edit a video of mine, which is this. What I can do is just drag the video and drop it over here and it'll start to upload. Once it starts to upload and it finishes uploading, and I can click on it and it'll appear over here. So let's wait for some time until it uploads. And after it uploads, in order to use it, you can just come on the upload section again and come on the video section because we uploaded video. And remember, if you uploaded audio, you want to go on the audio section, alright? But we uploaded a video, so we're gonna go on video section and just click on the video, you upload it, and it will be added over here automatically. And if you want to add a second video, what you can do is just click on plus. Now, once you see this, it means you can add another video. So I'm going to add this video of mine and it has been added over here just like this. So as you guys can see, 2 of my video has been added. And you can also make the video a bit smaller by clicking on this little button over here at the edge of the video and scroll to the side like this. Just so you guys can make it a bit smaller over here like this. As you guys can see, I'm decreasing the video size over here. So this is basically how you guys can do it. Alright, so this video was 2 minutes long. Now I made it into 12 seconds by shrinking it. Alright, so I can even shrink it from this edge just like this. This is also a form of cutting. Alright, I cut it the intro of this video and the outro of this video. Now I only have the middle part of the video. But if I want this video to be in front of this video, what I can do is just click on this video and drag it and place it in front of the other video. Now this video which was in front is in back and the video which was in back is in front like this. They replace their, sides like this. Now if I want to trim the middle part of this video, what I can do is place the cursor where I want to trim. So let's say I want to cut in this part. What I can do is right click on this line now and click on split page. Now what I can do is drag this over here again and then again right click on it and click on split. As you guys can see, this middle part which I did not need it is separated. Now what I can do is just click on it and click on delete on my keyboard and the part has been deleted. So that's how we guys can remove a middle part. So that's how we guys can cut on Canva and place videos side by side. Now if you want to add audio, you can go in the element section and add the audio or music which Canva provides. Or if you have uploaded the audio, you can use the audio you have uploaded. Like this is the audio I have uploaded. I can just go on uploads and go on the audio section and click on the audio and it will be added automatically. And in audio as well, I can drag it like this to make it small, or I can even cut it just the same way I did it for the video. So that's how we guys can edit a video. And if your video is edited, you can just click on share, click on download, and the video you edited will start to download. So yeah, that's how we guys can edit videos on Canva. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.